Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to disable the search box, speed dial, and search suggestions from within the Opera browser. So without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up the Opera browser, and then dito lang sa top left corner, and then select mo lang dito yung Opera logos, click mo lang yan. And then next ay, select mo lang dito yung settings. And then dito sa settings, scroll down lang tayo sa pinakadulo. Makikita mo dito yung advanced. So i-click mo lang tong arrow na to. And then next step ay scroll down lang tayo at hanapin natin dito yung start page. Okay, so scroll down and then ito na siya. Kung paano ba natin i-disable ang search box, speed dial, and speed dial suggestions. So dito sa right side, makikita mo dito yung button niya and then click mo lang yan. Ayan, so naka-disable na siya. So, disable lang natin. Ayan. Alright, and then tong suggestions, disable natin yan. And then open tayo ng another tab. Makikita mo dito na naka-disable yung suggestions. And then kapag in-enable natin tong dial suggestions, so open natin yan. And then open tayo ng another tab. Ayan, so makikita mo dito sa baba yung suggestions niya. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-disable ang search box, speed dial, and search suggestions in the Opera browser. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.